It seems that Kapamilya actress Catherine Bernardo is intent on moving forward from her separation with actor Daniel Padilla. More than a month after their split, eagle-eyed netizens noticed that Bernardo is no longer following her former boyfriend on Instagram. Last December, Bernardo shared an update about her life, posting, "No looking back. Only moving forward." Just recently, the two were spotted at the wedding of their fellow Kapamilya artist Robbie Domingo. Some fans speculate that the unfollowing may simply be a part of their healing process and an effort to create distance to move forward as individuals. Others believe it could signify a deeper rift between the former couple. As of now, neither Bernardo nor Padilla has provided any specific reason behind their digital disconnections. Bernardo and Padilla separately took to Instagram to announce that they have ended their 11-year relationship last November 30.